Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on WhatsApp. So if you want to change it to another thing, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So open your WhatsApp, navigate to you at the bottom right corner. You have to click on account, and here you have to click on username. At the top right corner you're going to see where it says edit. Click on it, and now you can click on change username. From here, you can select another thing if you want. It's going to show you if it is available or not. Now, when you click on save, your username will be changed. So that's how you edit your username on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.